In this video, we are going to fix the Windows Update error code 0xc00000fd. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So first of all, you need to copy the link that I have given at the YouTube description, this one. And once you have copied it, please paste it here to the notepad and navigate to your search box and type for CMD. Once you have typed that, you need to wait until you can see a best matched here, which is the command prompt system. And from that, you need to navigate to the best matched and go with the run as administrator. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. Okay, so you need to copy the command one by one. First is to do SFC scan. This will help you to diagnose the problem. Please wait until this process would be finished. It will take 5 minutes or more than that. And once you have done the system scanning, you need to copy and paste the second, which is to help you restore the health of your computer. So paste it here, and once you have done it, you need to close this window and then restart your computer and check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, you can also run the troubleshooter for Windows Update at your PC. How we can do that at day start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. At day settings, you need to proceed to the left pane. Please find for an option which is the system, click on it. And afterwards, you need to scroll down and locate for the troubleshoot. And next is to go with the other troubleshooters. So please run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. Click on run here. Wait until it will be finished. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. And once you have done it, you need to run the Windows Update again and see if it's working. Okay? Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. So thank you and have a good day.